Next on Sports Zone, Yankees, Red Sox, Game 3, right after this.
At Match You Up, we'll find you the perfect match, or your money back. Just dial the number on your screen. Because in Mexico, more than just the sand is hot, hot, hot.
That's the news. Jay Leno is next. For all of us at Channel 7, have a great night.
If a playful moment turns into the right moment, you can be ready. Viagra is not for everyone. Most common side effects include headache, vomiting, diarrhea. Round 4. Manson continues to pummel Fimmer. A left jab, an uppercut, another jab, another jab. I don't know how much more Fimmer can...
You can be pretty hard on lamb. You can take a beating and still taste delicious.
3, 4, 5, and Fimmer's back on his feet.
Put it in the oven for 45 minutes, basting frequently.
Manson lands another right. Another. Fimmer's eyes bleeding pretty bad now.
A left jab, an uppercut, another jab.
Oh, Fimmer slams Manson in the nose. He hits the mat.
Then you stuff the chicken with the cheese mixture. You can really pack it in there.
Next on Discovery Health. Watch as the world's largest recorded human baby is born.
Warning, this program contains material that may not be suitable for all audiences.
It's a boy.
Here's Barney.
On Masterpiece Theatre, can Darcy and Rebecca rekindle the passion that burns deep in them both? Or will they continue to let golden opportunities pass them by?
Next on Sports Zone, Yankees, Red Sox, Game 6, right after this.
Now you can be ready when the right time presents itself. Viagra can turn friendly moments into special moments. For your free trial, dial the number on your screen.
Viagra is not for everyone. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, temporary blindness, permanent blindness, uncontrollable shaking, uncontrollable stirring, hairy palms, baldness, bad breath, excessive body odor, sensitivity to sunshine, sensitivity to moonshine, moodiness, PMS, MS, S, anemia, bulimia, temporary insanity, meanness, lack of balance, lack of motor skills, babbling, stuttering, freckles, itchy feet, happy feet, paranoia, and excessive fingernail growth. Do not use while driving, operating heavy machinery, operating light machinery, dancing, running, sitting, breathing, or engaging in inappropriate sexual activity. You know what we mean. If your erection lasts for more than 4 hours, seek the immediate help of a medical professional or your partner's cute female friends.